How do I use the navigation system? To start the navigation system, press the Home button in the centre and then select the navigation icon. A map will be displayed of your current location and surrounding area on the screen. You can zoom in and out or move the map by simply placing your finger on the touchscreen and dragging in any direction. To set a destination, touch the search icon on the selector bar. You can input your destinations manually using the keyboard display or stored addresses such as those visited recently in your contacts, point of interest, crossroads or GPS coordinates. Once you have input a destination, select Go on the destination details screen. You will then receive visual and voice prompts for route guidance. The navigation system offers many display, route and guidance options that are easily accessed by selecting the search icon from the selector bar at the top of the touchscreen. Familiarise yourself with all the options before driving and only operate the system if road and traffic conditions allow you to do so safely. For full instructions, refer to your owner's handbook.